Put the gloves on, put the goggles on.
On dessert, Jane's next task is to make her milk ice cream using liquid nitrogen.
Don't be afraid.
At minus 196 degrees Celsius, it freezes the milk mixture solid in a matter of seconds.
Oh, like Harry Potter. Never ever used anything like this before. I mean, you've seen me in a MasterChef kitchen. I don't even use a sous vide machine, so for me, this is a bit of a departure from the norm.
She must then gently reheat and re-whip the ice cream to attain the perfect creamy consistency.
Want to reach that perfect temperature so it's smooth. It's just like what an ice cream machine does, just a little bit faster. That's good.
Milk and honey, I mean, it just doesn't give anything away at all. Who knows with that one? That's an exciting one.
To be able to have a smooth transition and keep the guests excited all the way through and then finish really high up on a dessert, it's a huge challenge.
You look very calm and organized, Jane.
We hope.
I'll tell you what, I think this is the most complicated one out of the lot, this is.
Just make sure, press it down so when it goes to the dining room, it still looks like that. All right, Leo.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Chef.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Okay, Jane.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you very much.
You feeling good?
I am, yes, yeah.
You did a really good job.
Thank you.
That's really awesome.
If you'd told me at the beginning of this experience that I would have put something up like that, I don't think I would have believed you. I thought I would have been a mess on the floor.
Jane has served milk and honey. A milk and bee pollen ice cream with a liquid honey centre. On a honey custard base, topped with shards of dehydrated milk foam.
Wow, awesome.
Sometimes all you got left is laughter. That's what you can do, is just laugh at it.
Beautiful honey, it's really aromatic, lots going on in that. And then there's the salt as well, which just gives it another element. There's all these little explosions of flavour in your mouth. Yeah, delicious.
It's a hard dish to pull off, to get all the temperatures right, to get all the layers right, to get the fragrances right, and to keep you excited all the way to the end, to the last bite. So she did very well, I think.
It's the dessert that once you break into it, it just kind of keeps on giving more and more as you go along. Incredible. And what a finale of 3 brilliant dishes.
Oh, that is divine.
Yeah, it's really, really very, very good, isn't it? And then that sort of sharpness, a little bit of salt around the outside as well. I mean, a huge amount of work for Jane.
That's actually my favourite dish.
Is it? That's a surprise.
Hi.
Jane, well done. What a great dish. Technically brilliant. Not something I'm sure you do every day. What do you do every day, Jane?
I'm a mum. I've got 4 children, so yeah, I've come straight out of cooking at home.
So today's been a doddle. a mum and 4 children.
Easy day, easy day.
Incredible amount of technique gone into it for something that seems so simple.
We thought it was delicious. That was fantastic.
A real pleasure. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very emotional to walk in the room and get that feedback at the end. I thought I was going to cry, which would be mortifying in front of those chefs, wouldn't it? That was a real dream to be able to do that. Amazing.